Hello friends, welcome to my channel Agriculture Sciences with Alok Dwivedi. So today we will discuss on a topic dairy industry. So we will start the session since independence. At that time it was not in a fame of business as it is nowadays. Dairy industry uses the milk as a raw material to produce consumer milk such as ghee, butter, paneer, yogurt, condensed milk and flavored ice creams. India is the largest producer and consumer of the dairy products. Major producing states are UP, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, etc. About 45% of the milk is consumed as milk fluid, whereas 35% as the butter or ghee, 7% paneer, 4% milk powder, dahi and sweet meals. Now friends, we will talk on Operation Flood. As I told you, since independence it was not in a fame. Operation Flood boosted the dairy industries. In 1970, the world's largest development program came in existence and asked as National Milk Grid. So this Operation Flood acted as a national milk grid, and this operation linked the producers and consumers over 700 towns and cities and helped the producers and consumers to get their fair market prices. As every operation have their objectives, so the objectives of Operation Flood were, so here we'll discuss of the objectives of Operation Flood. They are to increase the milk production, augment of rural income and reasonable prices for consumers. So friend, Operation Flood is also known as White Revolution. You may note this. Now the program implementation. How the Operation Flood was implemented. So friend, it was implemented in 3 phases. In phase 1, 1970 to 1980, 18 premier milk sets linked to the consumers and 4 metropolitan cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Whereas in phase 2, from 1981 to 1985, the direct marketing of milk came into existence from producers to consumers, and the increment found in the number of milk sets such that 18 to 136. That is a huge increment. So this is the milk output in India. White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. You can see the increment year by year, and trade game where Amul is contributing a higher percentage than Parad, and then rest are the others. So from now phase 3, 1985 to 1986. In phase 3, this enabled the dairy cooperatives and strengthened the infrastructure of dairy industries. So what were the objectives of phase 3? To increase the availability of milk per capita, to increase the capacity of milk production, to increase the income of villages, to increase processed milk and its distribution over the large scale. And Operation Flood is also called as White Revolution. And Gujarat-based corporation Anand Milk Union Limited, that is the full form of Amul, was the engine behind the success of the program. And Amul was founded by Tribhuvan Das and Varghese Kurin, who was the chairman of NDDB. Remember this? So now friends, we will discuss about NDDB. See, this is the key milk producers of India. Uttar Pradesh is the first state. Then second state is your Rajasthan, then Punjab, then Andhra Pradesh, then Gujarat, and at last Maharashtra. Now we will discuss about National Dairy Development Board. It was found in 1965. Note it down somewhere and pause the video. And this NDDB was charged with the responsibility of building cooperative dairies in India on Anand pattern, means on Amul pattern. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the video.